In an era where agility and innovation emerge as the quintessential factors for competitive supremacy, Microsoft Power Platform stands as an exemplar of transformation. Imagine an integrated suite that not only simplifies complex business processes, but also unlocks new avenues for innovation and growth. This platform, by deftly combining capabilities from low-code app development to powerful business intelligence, enables businesses to transcend traditional operational challenges and harness the unprecedented potential of digital transformation. The implications of such a technological integration are profound, promising not just increased efficiency, but a redefined competitive landscape. By leveraging the Microsoft Power Platform, organizations are equipped to convert challenges into opportunities, shifting the paradigm from operational survivability to strategic supremacy. Microsoft Power Platform is a robust amalgamation of 4 core technologies: Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. Each component offers unique capabilities, but when combined, they provide a comprehensive solution that enhances operational efficiency and facilitates innovation. Power BI helps businesses make informed decisions through advanced analytics and data visualization. Power Apps allows users to build custom applications with little to no coding experience, significantly reducing development time and cost. Power Automate streamlines repetitive tasks through automated workflows, thereby freeing human resources for more strategic endeavors. Lastly, Power Virtual Agents enable the creation of sophisticated chatbots that can engage customers and employees, enhancing service delivery and operational efficiency. This integration not only reduces the tech stack complexity, but also lowers IT costs, making advanced technology accessible to a broader spectrum of businesses. By demystifying the data and democratizing the app development process, Microsoft Power Platform empowers employees at all levels, fostering an environment of continuous innovation and improvement. The platform's agility in adapting to business needs and scalability ensures that it remains relevant regardless of business size or industry.
Strategic implications: enhancing competitive advantage. The strategic value of Microsoft Power Platform lies in its ability to transform data into actionable insights and to automate business processes across various functions and departments. This capability is pivotal in developing a competitive advantage in a highly saturated market. For example, a retail company could use Power BI to analyze consumer buying patterns and Power Apps to create personalized shopping experiences that enhance customer engagement and loyalty. Integration of the Power Platform into daily business operations leads to substantial cost savings through optimized resource allocation and reduced redundancy. Consider the case of a manufacturing firm that implements Power Automate to streamline supply chain operations. The automation reduces errors, speeds up processing times, and ultimately decreases operational costs, allowing the firm to reallocate funds towards innovation and growth. Moreover, by enabling employees with self-service analytics and app development tools, the platform catalyzes an intra-organizational shift towards a more dynamic and proactive workforce. This cultural shift not only improves employee satisfaction and productivity, but also enhances the organization's ability to respond swiftly to market changes. The future of business integration, innovation, and intelligence. As we gaze into the future, the intersections of technology and business strategy become increasingly intertwined. Microsoft Power Platform exemplifies a forward-thinking approach where integration, innovation, and intelligence converge to redefine the boundaries of what businesses can achieve. Hypothetically, imagine a healthcare provider that employs the full spectrum of Power Platform capabilities to not only improve patient care through better data management and analytics, but also to predict health trends and prepare proactive health strategies. In such scenarios, the strategic use of technology transcends operational efficiency and becomes instrumental in crafting new business models and revenue streams. Embracing this level of digital transformation positions companies not just as market participants, but as market leaders. Moreover, the continuous evolution of the Power Platform, with regular updates and addition of new features, ensures that businesses can adapt to the ever-changing technological landscape. This readiness not only prepares businesses for the challenges of today, but equips them for the opportunities of tomorrow.